history of Emiquon goes way back beyond the Nature Conservancy. It has quite a history, or even a prehistory, if you will. Native Americans have been on this landscape for 12,000 years.
Part of the reason was these broad floodplains along the Illinois River, which were formed because the Mississippi originally ran down through here. So with these dynamic floodplain pools and the connections with the river made this just one of the most productive rivers in North America.
These natural river systems, the plant and animal communities had adapted to fluctuating water levels. Changes in water levels seasonally and changes from year to year. So we wanted a structure that could restore that natural hydrology to the area, because we know that's what the natural native plant and animal communities need to survive.
It was something that we had felt Mauerstedts alone could not make this project happen. And with our past experiences with Hansen working on previous projects within the Corps of Engineers, we knew that their experience with hydraulics, hydrology, big river projects, that this was definitely a good teaming opportunity.
I really have to credit the Nature Conservancy with giving Mauerstedts and Hansen the freedom and also having trust in their design team to explore options to make this structure really unique for them.
We're trying to better understand how these systems functioned naturally. We know backwater areas like Emiquon provided a lot of productivity to the river, but it's hard to quantify. So we wanted a structure that could help us with our science.
We knew it was big. We knew it was going to be complicated. But I don't think it really sunk into me how big of a project it was. The Nature Conservancy goal is to utilize gravity flow as much as possible. They can draw this down, several feet, 8-10 feet if they want. The pump station can take it down even further.
Using that gray infrastructure to create a green infrastructure, which is a highly productive, very diverse, energy producing, converting sunlight energy into plants, converting those plants into animals, providing habitat for migratory waterfowl, for mammals, for fishes. Additionally, we're restocking the river. Some of the preliminary work, at times we're dumping up to a little over 500 fish per minute to the Illinois River, restocking the river again, as these backwaters did historically.
It'll give not only Nature Conservancy, but other scientists, researchers, the opportunity to see what works in nature. How can we connect, again, rivers to wetlands?
Even before the structure, we've had scientists and managers from 6 continents come to Emiquon to learn, and we have people standing in line now to use this structure for the potential that it holds for learning about how these areas can be better managed and how they contribute to a healthy river.
The Nature Conservancy now has a world-class research facility. To our knowledge, it's one of a kind in the world.
The TNC board is definitely one made up of not only donors but scientists, and every one of them had say and help in making this project move forward.
We're really dedicated to making the environment better and more productive.
They can apply the research, the knowledge gained from this site, and carry it forward to help restore floodplain wetlands at other locations all up and down the Illinois River, the Mississippi River, throughout the nation, even throughout the world.
When we started driving over that hill and seeing the wetland coming back, it was remarkable. The magnitude of this thing, the spatial scale, has gone far beyond what I could comprehend.